Busy schedule, guys? No problem. What if I told you that you could turn your phone into a money-making machine with just 30 minutes a day? Just 30 minutes, not the whole day. I know you might be working in a bank, you're a real estate agent, you're a consultant, you're a sales associate. Hold on. This isn't theory. It's a simple system that's helping me and people make money. I mean real money without quitting their jobs or going back to school. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. You guys, smartphone is very important. It's no longer just for scrolling. It's no longer for taking pictures only, but it's for making money. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your smartphone into a daily income tool in 30 minutes a day, every day, just 30 minutes. You guys, I love you so much. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. To engagers, you're so awesome. Thank you very much. And to individuals who are out there, your subscribers, I love you. The seats are here. The aim of Immaculate Show is to make sure that we pursue everybody who has a smartphone to know that that smartphone is a money-making machine, not just a place where you can scroll. I'm not a financial consultant, by the way, financial guru. I'm a person who has used this. So here with me, let's dive in and see how can you really turn your smartphone into a daily income tool in 30 minutes every day. 30 minutes every day. You don't need anything because you're very busy. The time you have a break, the time you are seated, what do? Let's see this. In 30 days, let's take, like, for example, we're going to make a plan for 30 minutes every day, 30 minutes plan per day. Morning, 10 minutes. What I need you to do, I want you to post one value-driven piece of content. When I'm talking driven piece of content, sit down, know your passion. Which problem do you want to solve? Or which thing do you want to expose as in terms of encourage people to do or motivate? Write a quote, write a tip. You can write a story. You can do a reel. I know you'll say, will I have time to do it? If you go to our videos previously, we talked about our personal assistant. We have ChatGPT. It can help you if need. But if you can do it yourself, you can do it yourself. So this is a plan now. Morning, 10 minutes, you are posting a value-driven piece of content. Now let's go to afternoon. Afternoon, get more 10 minutes also. Do engage on what you posted in the morning. Reply comments, reply DMs, and reach out to potential customers or collaborators. Without forgetting, you also look for other things that you need to do in any platform that you're doing. Now, you're going to ask me, why should I waste these 10 minutes to do engagement and reply comments? Why don't I do other quotes? Any platform that pays you well, these are code secrets. Engagement, shares, reactions. These are code secrets. You need to engage with other creators. You need to engage with other writers such that they can know you. Here it is sort of marketing yourself, sort of you're looking for people in your circle that they do the same thing. And when you're going to write these things, of course you're not going to write randomly. You're going to look your passion, your niche. Your niche is something that even if they wake me up from the bed, at least I can talk, or you can talk about this. Let's see the balance of the 10 minutes. The balance of 10 minutes, we're going to use them in the evening after work. After work, use those 10 minutes to create a digital product. A digital product, you can plan your next post or use ChatGPT to write something to sell. Digital products are like ebooks, they are like templates, caption bundles. Even you can do a mini template. So let's do like this. You can create a digital product from what you posted in the morning, by the way. Do you know that? Your passion, Whatever is paining you, you can do it from here. Now these already 30 minutes. What are the basic requirements, by the way? You didn't ask me that. The basic requirement is your smartphone only. Internet, the zeal, the idea, the focus, the passion. This is a pro tip. You need to be consistent. You need to know you are treating it as your business, not as a job. A job, you can work it part-time and move away. But when it is your business, whenever your scheduled time comes, you will run there. So this is what you can do in 30 minutes, even if you're very busy. 30 minutes can change your life. 30 minutes of using your smartphone profitably can give you a daily income tool. Now let's see, you guys, what are the challenges expected? Of course, you'll get demoralized, you get demotivated, you might not get the results that you want in the time that you expect. No, but you have to know the code. Every day you're building content, you're building trust, you're building a circle of like-minded and income. This one is step by step. Here we are, you guys. Your smartphone is either stealing your time or it is securing your future. It depends on how you use it. So what I encourage you to do, choose wisely, and don't start yesterday since you already left yesterday. Don't wait to start tomorrow. Tomorrow will be too late. Start today. I'll give you this. I would love you to comment 30 minutes a day in a comment section, just that word, and I will know you're starting it with me. If you're ready to try this plan, please like this video, follow these videos, subscribe, and share if you believe your phone can be your first business tool. And I'm sure most of us that are watching, the phone is our the phone is our business tool because we use it often. So what about you? What do you use it for? Thank you very much for watching. Wait for another video. It will be about the phone, and see you, and God bless you for me. Bye bye.